Make the ground shake.
The topic of lecture: alternative methods of preparation of hard tissue of the teeth. This lecture is very important because it's aim to study of alternative methods of preparation of hard tissue of teeth. The purpose of the lecture to study the principle of preparation of hard tissue of teeth, learn how to prepare of hard tissue, and to get acquainted with modern technology of preparation. The plan: first about traditional preparation, next chemical and mechanical preparation, number 3 ultrasound preparation, next laser preparation, fifth air abrasive preparation, and the last one hydrokinetic preparation. First part is traditional preparation. It is more often preparation is very widespread. It is mechanical preparation with a drill and drill devices. We use drills in various shape and colors. Color indication of diamond drills. Black ring means the size, it is super large size, and the number of microns, it is 160, and it is used for rough preparation, first preparation of caries cavity. Next, green color, it is large size and microns less than previous 125 till 150, and used for preliminary preparation. Then blue ring on the neck of drill means that it is medium size, about 95 till 120 microns, and used for basic preparation. Red color means small size, and as for microns is about 20 till 90, and we use these drills for finishing tools. Yellow color means super small drills and 12 till 20 microns, and we use this size for finishing but material, filling material. And the last, white color, means extra small size, less than 10 microns, from 16 till 12 microns, and use for finish polishing of the filling. And there are traditional spherical drills. It has different cover and shape spherical, mostly spherical for drills number 1, and another shape used for preparation in the area of fissure, and it is called fissure tomes, hex shape. Next, about alternative methods of preparation. They are used to reduce pain because traditional preparation with drills are very painful, and sometimes they are impossible to provide anesthesia due to different problems with the body of person, for example allergic. We have to find another way for preparing of hard tissue. So with this aim we use different or alternative methods. First one is chemical mechanical preparation, ART technique. Next, ultrasound. The third one is laser. And kinetic with two kinds, air abrasive and hydrokinetic preparation. First, with atraumatic methods, chemical mechanical preparation. We don't have any device, any drills for this apart from sharp instrument like excavator and special chemical medicine. It is in the form of gels like Carisolve or Caricleans, and this gel contains a mixture of amino acids and sodium hypochlorite, and this gel is applied into the caries cavity first, and after that we remove softened dentin using special sharp instrument like excavator, for example. Caries cavity. Next, after applying of gel, the walls of caries cavity are softening, first removed overhanging enamel edges, then softening dentin in the depths of caries cavity also is removed, and after that we may use the only one filling material is glass ionomer cements, because it has fluoride for prevention recurrent caries. Advantages of this technique: it's minimally invasive technique, no pain, so no anesthesia required. It doesn't require energy sources and expensive equipment, and low-cost method. As for indications, it's unsolvable fear of the drill in childhood or with severe general somatic and mental pathology. And of course this method has some disadvantages. It requires a lot of time compared to the preparation with drill. With deep cavities, the gel may have a toxic effect on the tooth pulp, and it is not possible to use composites for restoration because filling only glass ionomer cement. Next way of alternative preparation is called ultrasound. It is based on the effect of cavitation. The tip of the instrument pulsates at a frequency of 30,000 vibrations per second. The water supplied to it forms is gone to hard to reach areas, removing demineralized tissue. Ultrasonic tips and special attachments with a diamond coating of the working part are used. Special tips to ultrasonic devices. For example, cavity 408 system for the Piezo Master 400s. Its device, and it is set of tips with diamond coating for ultrasonic processing of caries cavity. Another example is Ultrasonic ultrasonic scaler to tubing output. Micro preparation nozzle with water outlet to the treatment area, but also with diamond coating. Next type of alternative preparation is laser preparation. Mechanism of its action. Under the action of the laser beam, the liquid boils and evaporates, which leads to a sharp increase in volume and destruction of the tissue. And example of equipment for laser preparation. Advantages of laser preparation: it's painless, no vibration, psychological comfort of the patient, fast and selective removal of caries dentin, the absence of smear layer, open dental tubules, formation of a sterile cavity. For example, device K laser by Cabo company. As for disadvantages of this type, it is noted that it's very expensive equipment and sometimes it is unpleasant smell during preparation. Next type of alternative preparation is air abrasive. Indication for this type: mostly removal of dental plaque, dental deposits, but we may use for caries cavity preparation, treatment of fissure because sealing, creating adhesive surfaces, and also of the surfaces, teeth, prosthesis, device in orthodontics and orthopedics. And tools after air abrasive preparation: very minimal invasion, only softening necrotic tissue is removed. Devices: they are different: Tubodent, airflow prep, airflow handy for air abrasive preparation of cavity. Also ProFlex for removing plaque and polishing using special powder sodium bicarbonate. Advantages of this type of preparation: it's painless, no vibration, psychological comfort for the patient, no smell, and reduction of preparation time. It's faster. As for disadvantages of air abrasive preparation: incomplete removal of aluminum oxide dust by vacuum cleaner and salivary pump, mechanical contamination and also bacterial contamination of the workplace of doctors, minor blockage of the dentist tubules with dust. And the last type of alternative preparation is hydrokinetic way. The principle of hydrokinetic preparation is based on the mechanical action of a stream of sodium bicarbonate crystals accelerated by compressed air. The kinetic energy transmitted to the particles is transferred to the enamel when touched and contributes to a soft but high cleaning effect. The inclusion of water in the process minimizes dust formation and increases cutting efficiency. So, reduction of dust formation, constant washing of the treated area. Comparing with air abrasive preparation. As for device, for example, AquaCut, it is called AquaCut by Velopex company. This is device with two dispensers that are filled two types of powder. First type is aluminum oxide with the 29 or less, often 53 microns for tooth preparation, and the other one for sodium bicarbonate for cleaning and polishing the tooth surface. It's possible to prepare caries cavity and also for cleaning in the procedure of hygiene of oral cavity using sodium bicarbonate powder. Advantages of hydrokinetic dissection: minimal loss of hard tissue, no direct contact with the tooth eliminates the risk of chipping and cracking of enamel. Surface is perfectly prepared for the perception of the adhesive system, no smeared layer. Dissects hard tissue faster than a laser, for example, or other types of preparation. And also the possibility of restoration of old fillings. As for disadvantages of hydrokinetic dissection is aerosol contamination of the doctor's workplace, and also equipment, special equipment requires. That's all. Thank you.
Make the ground shake.